Hello everyone. I thought I'd give you a quick garden update to show you where I'm at. This is what I've been doing. Alright, so my path is carved out, and hang on, I'll back up a bit. And I need to dig it up a little more over there. That's what I'm doing right now, because I need it all to be equal, of course, because the rock is coming in. This is going to be filled with rock, and so it's coming in. They're coming. I'm not the one that's going to be doing this. Someone else is going. I hired a company to come do this for me. So this will all be rock here. I dug everything out, and look, the weeds are already, they just grow anywhere, right? So this is the update here. I have a new area here that I started. And this is I bought this over the weekend. Oh, I have a little visitor here. Oh, I love that. I don't know what, hang on guys, I gotta show you this. Oh, it's gone. It just left. Okay. Oh, there it is. It's in the butterfly bush. I'm not sure what this is. It looks like a bee, but it's not a bee. It's gone. Okay, so this is my butterfly bush. And let's see what the name of this one is. It's the Buddleia. Pugster Blue Buddleia, or Buddleia. Not sure how to say it. It's the blue one here, so it's got a lot of buds coming along. I got myself a beautiful hydrangea here. The variety is vanilla strawberry. I have some awesome coneflowers that I got also that I am absolutely in love with. And these are so liatris. They are so beautiful. I'm gonna have more of this. I really want more of this. I love this. It's beautiful. I just found that it was really nice with the white fluffy balls there. Some happy bees there. Happy little bees. And I just discovered this. This is so cool. It's, what do they call this? They call it the, hang on, I'm thinking. It means that they listen to us. Obedient plant, the obedient plant. This is the real name of the plant, but they call it the obedient plant. And my sister tells me, I was showing her on video, she says, push one of those flowers, and it will obey. And I pushed it, and it's weird. It's like there's the wire or something in there. You just toss it over, and it stays tossed over. Look at that. Just move it around. That is so funny. That's why they call it the obedient plant. That's too funny. I finally got this one down in the ground. I'm really happy. It's been many weeks that I got that one and this one here. The Salix. Sorry about the cars, guys. Oh, there's my little Jace. Is it a little hot out here, hon? I'm gonna have to throw him in the pool. You wanna go in the pool? Anyhow, so these guys, I got these in finally. And just so you know, this isn't how it's going to be. I'm going to create an edge and whatnot, and more paths are going to come in here somewhere. I don't know how big I want this. Probably a little more over here too. A lot more plants, and then I want a tree there, and another tree somewhere around here. So I'm still thinking of that. I'm thinking of getting a Japanese maple for over here. I'm filling up all of the dirt that I'm, digging up. I'm filling up this area here, and I filled up over there so that I can have a little more of a mound. I like the raised bed. I also like the different levels where you have lower and then you higher. Not only that the plants are lower or higher, but the mound, I got some beautiful Joe Pye. I really wanted this plant, and I kind of found it by accident. I had been looking for it online and whatnot, and then I went to get some more flowers, and suddenly I see this huge Joe Pye sitting there. We got some more coming out here. I have not planted these yet. I have some awesome, huge, these were, I bought these like over almost 2 months ago. I bought these, almost 2 months ago. And this area too, I'm going to be doing a nice area here, but this is a different project that I'll be doing, and I'm anxious, I'm getting ideas, I'm anxious to get that done. But yeah, I just wanted to do a quick garden tour here. These here are not doing so well. I've been watering them, but they're not doing well. I'm not happy with that. And I planted some sedum. I had showed you that. I think I showed you guys that. And we finally got this down in there. See, because there are 3 different arbors, instead of putting them in with spikes, this is one way. We couldn't find the spikes that were needed for this. So one way we decided to do it was to actually put in these pieces of wood here like this, because the top was larger and the bottom was kind of springing inside. So this wood is keeping the legs apart, right? So we screwed those in, and then we screwed this on top to make it like heavier. And then I added these here to help keep everything straight. It broke. Look, it broke because it fell. One day there was some wind, and then all of them, like dominoes, all of them just fell, toppled over. Over here will be another exit here that I'm going to be doing. So anyhow, for now, that's about it, guys. Oh, I got one more. Let me show you one more plant that I got. I'm going for a walk here with you guys. Here, one more plant here that I got. I got this beautiful hydrangea that's going to be blue. It's called the Pop Star. And yeah, this is the only place that I could put it because it needs morning sun, afternoon shade, and this is the only spot that I could find for now. Once I get more trees in there, back there, I'll have areas where I'll have more shade. But so I'm working in the garden. Sorry, I'm looking kind of scruffy. Working in the garden and having some more fun. And I hope everyone's having an awesome day. And stay posted. I'll keep you posted because there's a lot more to plant. So I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.